So in today's video, we're going to look at the VARA function. So VARA is similar to the VAR function if you are more familiar with that, but this allows you to calculate a sample variance of a given set of values. So here we have a given set of values, and we have the VARA as calculating on each of these sets of values. VAR is often used for calculating variances, like say you have revenues and expenses, or if you need to keep track of risk levels within a portfolio. So this is a statistical function within Excel. Here is a formula here of what VAR is doing. You can see there's a couple comments in here on how this is used, and some of the nuances of it, some of the things you need to keep in mind, especially with like things like empty cells, how those are done, what kind of arguments can create a error. So again, a little bit similar to VAR. If one thing within statistics, if you are using this as a sample population, that is fine. But if you're using this as your complete, if this is your complete variance, there is a different formula for that. It's called the VARPA formula, and it is different. So the VARPA formula will give you a different value, because it does know that that is the full statistical sample of the full population. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.